Industry Canada maintains a tool to create financial performance data by industry or occupational group. We use this tool to gain a better understanding of the bookkeeping and accounting services occupation in Canada.
In 2022, there were 13,660 bookkeeping service firms with less than $5 million in revenue. More than half of these firms were unincorporated. Industry Canada derives their financial performance data from personal and corporate tax returns, which began requiring the use of the General Index of Financial Information in 1999. In essence, this standardizes financial reporting of business income for tax purposes. While corporate data is more complete, it is harder to interpret since profit is net of wages paid to principals. So we looked instead at income statement data for unincorporated firms taken from Form T2125 of the owner's personal tax returns. This data is derived from returns for 7,349 firms, representing about 53.7% of the entire population of smaller bookkeeping firms. T2125 data is fairly representative of all firms, though these firms do skew smaller than incorporated firms. Most important, it has the advantage of being easier to understand since net profit represents the income of the principal. Unincorporated proprietors increase their profitability by doing everything themselves. Controlling labor costs has a greater impact on profitability than increasing revenue. This may be a little counterintuitive since our largest accounting firms rely heavily on the leverage model. Leverage involves marking up wage costs by a factor of between 5 and 10 times. Using this approach in our smallest accounting and bookkeeping firms would be disastrous.
Owner-managers of bookkeeping services corporations also increase their profitability by reducing labor costs. The most profitable quartile in this group also has the lowest revenue. Bookkeeping practitioners will do better by increasing their own skills and by using more efficient processes. In short, working smarter beats working longer.
Being professional doesn't mean wearing expensive business suits or sitting in a fancy corner office. It's all about understanding the needs of the folks you work with and developing relevant skills to meet those needs more effectively.